Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button to keep seeing helpful beginner friendly tutorials like this. And if you've been here before, make sure to like the video. It really helps the channels to grow. So the first thing to do is to update your Termux. Run this command pkg update and pkg upgrade. So it's already updated. Install proot-distro. Run this command pkg install proot-distro. So as you can see, proot-distro is installed. Now list the supported Linux distributions. Run this command proot-distro list. So here are the supported Linux distributions. So in this video, I'll be going with Ubuntu. To install Ubuntu, run this command proot-distro install Ubuntu. Nice. Ubuntu installation is complete. So to log in into Ubuntu, type proot-distro login Ubuntu. As you can see, you are now a root user. Type who am I? You are now root. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you really find it helpful, please hit that subscribe button and also like the video. It really helps the channels to grow. Bye bye. See you in the next tutorial.